All right, and it's a wonderful Tuesday, terrific Tuesday at the Reitz Team EXP. Guys, this is our market update. Fresno, California, Central Valley of California, National. All real estate and loan update. Here you're going to get the truth. No lies, no ties, and no lies. Here we go. Truth in the real estate market update. We're going to go over rates, nationally average rates of different types of loans. We're also going to go over the local Fresno, California market here in our county, Fresno Madera County of California. So local agents and national agents, buyers and sellers can all get the right information to make an educated decision with the truth. Here we won't tell you what you want to hear or a pie in the sky. We're going to give you the truth. That's what's good about our show. I believe in that. The truth. Okay, guys, here we go. Let's start with the rates. Nationally, we're going to have rates with our mortgage lenders here in town. Now, this is an average. Some of them are a little bit lower, some a little higher. We take the average so you know what you're looking at this week right now. Conventional loan, 30-year conventional, coming in at 3.3%, 3.3 on a 30-year conventional. 30-year jumbo coming in about 3.21, 3.21 to 3.25 on an average jumbo loan. Then that depends on pricing in your area. Here it's about 550,000 for a jumbo loan and above, give or take. Different areas of the nation are going to have different price points where conventional stops and jumbos take over. So again, 3.25, great for a jumbo rate, right? That's 10% down. 30-year FHA, 3.4 on a 30-year FHA loan. That's VA loan, Veterans Administration. We love our veterans. 30-year a loan on a VA, low, no cost really, 2.96%. 2.96% here with our lender here in Fresno. That's an average national rate now. We're giving you average national rates. 30-year USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. Love those loans. Zero money down, zero money in typically. We can get the seller to pay the buyer's closing cost. USDA 3.31%, national average 3.31%, and a 15-year conforming loan, conventional loan, with 3, 5, 10% down, 2.53%, 2.53% national average on a 15-year conventional loan. This is with reasonable average credit, guys. You've got them. You don't have anything here over 3.4% and the lowest at 2.53%. And these are national averages. It's a great time to buy. The interest rates are good. All right. Uh, Another thing I want to talk to you about, and this is really important, not just the rates, but what is the market doing nationally? What are the analysts, Fortune, Forbes, all these different nine economists? There's nine top economist professionals in the United States that we like to live by. EXP Realty, our economists, other economists like Forbes, Fortune, and other big hitters. I read all of these different reports, and here's what they're all saying. This is going to be really important for buyers, sellers, and investors, also agents. Listen up because I did all the research and all the work to give you this. Okay. Market analysis from the top nine economists nationwide, the, uh, the more prominent economists that everybody knows, likes, and trusts. Okay. We are looking at three different scenarios, all very close. Okay. In the year 2022. Now, they are forecasting the real estate market and the loan mortgage market in 2022. We're almost there now. So, the first tier, there's nine economists that were in this information that delivered it. And here's what the first two said. Two of the nine. They say that before I say this, let me say this. The homes went up on about 20%, give or take 18 to 22% in 2021. We all know that. A huge increase. And in the last 18 months, over nationally, over 25% increase in value in an 18-month period. That is huge. Okay. Think about that. So about 20%, give or take, in the United States in 2021. Now, keep that in mind. 18, 20, 22%. Keep that in mind. That's not normal. Normal growth is 7, 8% in real estate on a 20-year curve. 7, 8% equity build per year in real estate is normal. So, 16, 20% is not normal. That's double, 2.5 times the growth rate. That can't sustain. So here's what the economists, two of the nine, are saying. that we're going to have a 2 to 5% increase, 2% to 5% equity build increase in home prices in 2022. Okay, so that's below normal, 2 to 5%. That means the market may trickle down. There'll be more inventory. They all said there's going to be more inventory, standing inventory for the buyers, so there'll be more choices. So it'll be a great time to buy in 2022. We all agree with that. So 2 to 5% equity build, more value to the homes increasing 2022. And the interest rates, they say on this model, it's going to go from an average, let's say 3.25 to 3.75 to 4.25. So half a point to 1% more, ending up right around 3.75 to 4.25 by the end of 2022. That's the first one. The next 4 out of the 9 economists have stated the market will increase between 6 and 9%. Now that's a normal equity um, inflation rate on a home. So homes prices values will go up 6 to 9%. Remember, 7-8% is normal, so that's a good healthy market right there. 6 to 9%. Homes will actually increase on the market again, meaning more inventory in most areas in the United States in 2022. Not all areas, and the interest rates again for these economists, these four are saying it's going to go up from 3.25 to about 4.25 by the end of 2022, maybe about a quarter point every quarter. That's what they're predicting. The interest rate going up a little bit, it's going to stabilize the pricing on the houses. Not going to make that much of a difference for a buyer's payment, but it'll give more inventory for the buyers too and better negotiation for the buyer. So that's actually a good thing, in my opinion. The third, which is the 3 other economists out of these 9, said that the prices will increase 10 to 14. I think that's a little high. It's possible, but 10 to 14% after a huge 18 months, not likely, but it's possible. 10 to 14% in 2022 increase in prices. They also said the rates will go up between 0.5% and 1% over what they are now. Again, if they're averaging 3.25, 3.75 to 4.25 is going to be more normal, from what I'm hearing from all the economists that I've studied, and there's some of the 9 biggest ones in the United States. Um, that being said, it's all a positive. There's going to be more inventory for the buyers, and the rates are still going to be low. So great time to buy or sell as far as that goes. Um, Sellers think about releasing that property and selling now. It's going to go up a little bit more, but hey, you're going to have opportunities right now. That's it for the market rates and what the predictions are for 2022 from the 9 economists. Okay, that being said, let's get into the local market. Fresno's local market. I love this. Okay, now I've got a few notes here, so I'm going to pick this up and read it so I get it correct. Okay, I'm reading right here off the trend off the MLS system here in Fresno County. We've had we should have a normal real estate market. So you have something to gauge by. It has about 22 active homes in Fresno. 22 active homes for sale in Fresno County would be deemed a normal real estate market, okay, for all intents and purposes. Right now we have 1,066, so let's say 1,100. We're about 50% of normal inventory. So still a little bit low on the inventory for buyers to choose from. So you still have a few offers coming in on different homes. Multiple offer scenarios are still happening. Not as aggressive as they were, but still a few of them happening. Absolutely, because there's not enough inventory. So we've sold 965. In November of 2021, we had 1,066 actives, and we sold 965 of those actives in the first 30 days. In the same 30 days they listed, they sold, which is huge. That's 88% of them are selling within 30 days. That's huge. That's a very strong market for sellers and buyers. It's aggressive. That's been mostly because of the interest rates are very attractive still. I shared those already. The price per square foot, guys, is running at an average in the county at 230 square price per foot, $230 per square foot. Okay, which is a great price. There's That's not bad. The months of inventory, we have 1.1 month of inventory. What that means is in Fresno County, if we didn't list a broker agent like myself or any of the other agents did not list another property in Fresno County, we would run out of inventory in 1 month and 3 days. 1 month and 3 days we'd be out of inventory. That's a fast market. Uh, 1 to 2 months is really a seller's market. 2 to 4 months is a normal real estate market, and 4 months or longer is a buyer's market. So we're still in that seller's market. Um, it'll start to balance out in 2022. Average price sold 432,000. Fresno County was 432,000 is the average home price that have sold. That's been going up. Just about a year ago was not even a year ago. Yeah, about a year ago was 348,000, 354,000. So that's up about 80, 85,000 just in the last, 10 to 12 months. Huge increase. That's where the 20% is coming from I've been talking about. And that's really it to keep it easy to understand. It's a great market. Um, and I hope you got good information out of that. As always, the Greg Reitz Real Estate Team EXP works with buyers, sellers, investors, multifamily, commercial, residential, distress sales, and cash for your home if you need to move quickly. So you can give Greg Reitz a call. And agents, if you want to learn more about EXP and what they have to offer, and everybody out in the public for real estate, my number is 559-260-1777. It's ticking across the bottom, 559-260-1777. And I wish everybody a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Be blessed. Talk to you later. Bye now.